Good morning, and celebrating 25 years of impactful journalism, this is Joy News Interactive. We're live on Joy News on your digital TV, also on your DSTV channel 421 and Go TV channel 144. Join us on our social media handles with your messages at Joy News on TV, and our WhatsApp line is 0540-109009. My name is Nadia Idoku, and I will be joined by my colleague Mapito Zebidi. We're doing this together. And the president on Sunday gave an update on national efforts to stem the spread of the coronavirus in Ghana, the 8th of such exercise since March. Some key points from the address are: 1. Extension of a 2-week ban on public and social gatherings, including funerals, religious activities, by 2 more weeks. 2. Construction of 100-bed hospitals in selected districts across the country. He also announced plans to construct 88 new health facilities in the country. These new health facilities will complement the existing ones and fortify the delivery of health services to individuals with various health challenges. Now let's watch that video.
We're going to beef up our existing laboratories and establish new ones across every region for testing. We will establish 3 infectious disease control centers for each of the zones of our country, that is the coastal, middle belt, and northern, with the overall objective of setting up a Ghana Center for Disease Control. The recent tragic CSM outbreak, with over 40 deaths, has reaffirmed the need for ready access to such infectious disease control centers, even though in our time, nobody should die of the disease. Early reporting is what is required, and I implore everybody to heed this call.
And that was the president giving his address yesterday in the evening. Now, many have been reacting to the president's 8th address, and let's see what they've been saying to that on Facebook. And Abdullah Mohammed said, commission the abandoned ones first. Stick to your lane. Year of roads, now year of hospitals. And Alex Jukunu says, let's pray for this to happen. Our people, especially pregnant women, are dying due to lack of hospitals. Aiken says, it's such a pity living in Ghana and Africa at large. Your own money cannot be used to give you good life. They use our monies on us like someone else's we're begging for. God have mercy on us. Abbas says, I thought the cathedral was more important. They took Corona to teach us a lesson that when there is a virus in town, the safest place is home and a medical facility. Good call, Mr. President. Paddy says, what happened to the year of roads? Perhaps it's not sailing through, therefore 88 hospitals. What was the budgetary allocation for health presented to the parliament? Hey, scampa. That's come from Masood Paddy. And Margaret says, good news. There should be a continuation of the abandoned hospital buildings in some districts to cut down costs for example, land acquisition. Abdul Karim Khalid said, you have not built a hospital since you became president, but you're going to build 88 in 7 months. But it's sad some people are going to believe this lie. Wasn't this the same man that said that when he becomes president, he will build 350 senior high schools in the first 8 months? This guy can lie more than Mr. Evil. And those are comments coming on Facebook pertaining to the construction of hospitals. And Kwesi Blue says, constructing new things without completion of the few available may serve as an avenue for chop. And those are some of the comments coming on Facebook concerning what the president had to say, especially about the construction of 88 hospitals in certain selected districts. Now, let's go on to further stories. For many countries, lockdown has become a new norm. Memes on social media have been flying about the things we will do for post-lockdown. For fitness coach, the first thing he is doing is taking a jog around his neighborhood. For others, lunch with friends or a stroll around the park. The past weekend for us here in Ghana was the first post-lockdown. What did you do? Took a jog? Walked your dog? Some of us have been sharing what we did on the first weekend post-lockdown. I hope whatever you did was in the line of the president's directives. Now, Cecil says, mixed feelings, to cry or to rejoice. The situation at hand is something, God's intervention, and I believe that is what we need, God's intervention. Kwesi Boatin says, life is picking up, but very, very slow. Barry Makofi Owusu Ohime says, very transforming, new habits, a new way of living. I do agree with him on that one. And Burley says, bad for some of us. Well, so unfortunately, some people have lost their livelihoods. And mothers are just trying to start all over again. Now we'll take a quick break, and when we come back, we do more on JoyNews Interactive.